In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your headset mic on Audacity. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do is download the latest version of the tool and make sure that your headset mic is being detected by Windows. So in this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily set it up inside of Audacity itself and how you can ensure that Windows is detecting the microphone. So go ahead, download the latest version of Audacity available at audacityteam.org, and when you open the tool, you will be able to start recording your voice. So what I would recommend now is to click this little red button and try recording here. You will see the left and right recording levels here, and you should be able to tell by the wavelengths here on whether or not it is working. So I'm just gonna pause this because I am recording this video at the moment, and if you notice that your voice is not being picked up, all that you have to do is go over to Audio Setup, select the recording device, and change the microphone here accordingly. Now, I am using this fine microphone at the moment, so this is what I have to select. You might have other options such as Steam, streaming microphone, or something else. You just need to make sure that the microphone from your gaming headset is selected here. If you have multiple choices and you are unsure on what to select, I would recommend trying recording your voice one by one with all the recording devices here. Playback device is going to be related to your actual headset and how you are going to be hearing the sounds coming from Audacity itself. So this is all you have to do. You can also go over to the audio settings and select them from here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about setting up these other values. Leaving them at default should be enough, but I would recommend watching an advanced guide if you need additional help. Something else to check is to go over to the Windows settings, go to Sound, and see if your microphone appears here under the input devices. If it doesn't, go under Advanced, More Sound Settings, and then switch over to the recording devices. Make sure that you select the option to show disabled and disconnected devices and find the specific microphone that might be disabled. As long as you can find it here, right-click the microphone and enable it, set as default device, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use headset mic on Audacity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.